Getting your positioning right. An important part of creating an effective advertising strategy is to get your positioning right. Brand positioning is all about how your brand looks in the mind of your customer. By getting your advertising positioning strategy right, you can focus more on your message about specific aspects of your product or services while staying true to your brand. How is your brand positioned now? Are you the low-cost leader for ABC widgets? Are you the proactive VA that gets things done? Are you perhaps the coach that pushes six-figure businesses through to the next level? What makes your brand unique and special amongst all of the other brands doing what you do? Who is your target market? Knowing who your target market is helps you to develop positioning statements that can be used to help you market your products and services to the right people in the right way. Are they grandmothers who want to earn money from home and aren't very tech savvy? Are they coders who need to know how to market their creations? Who are they exactly? What unique value do you provide your market? Do you solve people's time problems? Do you make something they must do daily easier? Do you give them personalized help with something? Do you make it easier for them to stick to the diets? This isn't about what you do, but the value you give them. Why should your audience believe you? What sort of proof do you have you can do what you say you can do? Even if you've never done it, what education do you have that will show that you can succeed? If you have done it, do you have testimonials? Do you have case studies? And so forth that you can use in your advertising? Who are your direct competitors? There are businesses out there that are your competition, but they are not direct competitors. Find the top 3 businesses that you'll be competing with based on the target audience you want to work with. Knowing this will help you differentiate yourself. How are your competitors positioning their brands? To get your positioning right and ensure that it's different from your competitors, you need to know what theirs is. Try to identify it and write their positioning statement if you can. That will help you get yours right by filling in the gaps that they haven't noticed. How can you position your brand to be unique? Get to understand your business's value proposition and then optimize it for marketing communications to your audience. What is it that you do? How do you do it? What do you do it for? And how is what you do different, so different from what someone else does? Here's a hint. You are different. Create a more distinct positioning idea for differentiation. Once you know what your competition does, it's important to make your positioning different and unique. For example, one brand might provide a low-cost solution while yours is more personal. Develop your brand positioning statement. Using the information you've gathered, write your positioning statement. It will look something like this. Your brand provides your target market with your value by your solutions and your experience. This can be 1 or 2 sentences. Test everything. Whenever you do something new, it's important to ensure that everything works the way you want it to by testing it. Once you optimize your positioning statement and use that information in your marketing, do you notice a change? Getting your positioning right is important for enjoying a successful advertising strategy. This will ensure that you make more connections and ultimately make more sales. Remember, the more you put into your business on the front end will ultimately give you more on the back end.